Hi, I'm Mel from Krannich. I have Sadie from Tongwei Solar, Tongwei Solar, here with me today. And we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a rundown of Tongwei panels that are here today. So, Sadie, how long has Tongwei Solar been around for?
Okay, so actually Tongwei is one of the oldest module manufacturer because we established in 1982 and we joined the market of solar in 2006 and we start doing the module manufacture in 2016 and this is our module what we offer to Australian residential market, and this is a single phase module and with a power output and 440, especially for residential and distribution markets.
Oh, great. I heard that Tongwei, or TW Solar, actually made the Fortune 500. That's a great achievement. And when did this take place?
Last year. Actually, Tongwei is the first PV enterprise who reached this milestone. And Tongwei also is on the Fortune Global 500 list this year as well.
Okay, is there any new sizes coming to the Australian market? Is it in commercial as well?
Mm-hmm. So besides the 182 regular M10 series, we also have another G12R series introduced this year. And we have a G12R48 introduced this year, especially for residential market, with a power output at 440 and 445.
445.
Yes, and the size will be slightly longer comparing to this one, but the power output will be also higher to comparing to this module.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sadie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.